If you want links to automatically open in your favorite web browser instead of the current default, your Samsung Galaxy A27 makes it easy to change this setting. Whether you prefer Google Chrome, Samsung Internet, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or another browser, you can switch your default browser in just a few steps. Here's how. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy A27 and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the upper right corner. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap it to open the app management menu. At the top of the app screen, tap Choose Default Apps. This section lets you decide which apps your phone uses automatically for specific tasks, such as web browsing, phone calls, messaging, and more. Next, tap Browser app to view the list of installed web browsers available on your device. You'll now see all compatible browsers currently installed on your Galaxy A27, including options like Google Chrome, Samsung Internet, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, depending on what you've installed. Simply tap the radio button next to the browser you want to use. Your selection is saved instantly, so there's no need to press a Save or Apply button. After changing the default browser, exit the Settings app. From now on, whenever you tap a website link in apps like Gmail, Messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, or other applications, the link will automatically open in your selected browser instead of the previous one. If your preferred browser doesn't appear in the list, you'll need to install it first from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, return to Settings immediately. Apps, choose Default Apps, Browser app, and select it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default web browser on your Samsung Galaxy A27. You can repeat these steps anytime if you decide to switch to a different browser in the future.